Okay guys, mount your camera on a tripod, use portrait mode. After that, you record an empty background for a few seconds. Then you come out now. Look at what I am doing. Just lie down. That's some few seconds. You can now bring your leg up. Alright. Look at what I am doing here. After some few seconds, bring your leg up. Then you stay there like that for some few seconds or some few minutes. Alright. You can demonstrate anything you want. As you can see what I am doing, I decided to be shaking myself the other way around. All right, then after recording this now, the next thing you are going to be doing is to just stand up. Then you can now walk out. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay guys, welcome to your gallery. As we create another amazing video together, click on CapCut, new project. Now import this your video to workspace. Look at that volume sign there. You want to click it as we silence the volume. Now we are going to be marking out an empty background for this video. No, before you come in, click here, make a split, go and look for overlay. Locate overlay guys, click on overlay, click it and drag it to the beginning of the video. Then you come back and click on this your background. Now go and look for freeze. Locate freeze guys, look for freeze. Okay, locate freeze, click on freeze. Now click it and drag it to cover the video. After dragging it, you are going to be coming back. The next thing now is to click on this video. You want to click it and look for remove BG. Go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG guys, auto removal. Then you allow it to remove completely. As you can see that it's applying. But guys, tell us your opinion about this video. If you have any magic effects or CapCut tricks you want us to create together, drop them at the comment section. All right, if you love the video you just watched, you love what we are doing, smash your like button. All right, if you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more update. Locate your notification bell, click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorial. Okay, welcome back to this tutorial. As we are still on BG removal, as you can see it's still removing. Okay, now it has removed completely. Mark on this grid, then you go back. At this point you want to locate where you want the video to start from. All right, before you raise your leg, before you bring your leg up, this place, before you do this, you are going to be clicking it here now to make a split. Click here now, make a split, delete this first part, we don't need it again. Click it and drag it to the beginning. So let's locate where we want the video to end. Locate where you want it to end. Before you stand up, you're going to be clicking here and make another split. Delete this last part. Then you come back now, you are going to be clicking on add overlay. Mark anywhere, click on add overlay now. Import this your butterfly, click on volume now. Then you reduce it to 0. You mark on this grid. Then you go back. Look at that CapCut logo there. We want to look for transform. Let us crop it out. All right. So click on transform now. Click on transform. Click on resize. Drag it down a little. You mark on that grid now. Then you go back. Now you click on it and go and look for remove BG. Locate remove BG guys, click on remove BG, click on chroma key, then you drag it, mark on this grid, you go back, then you click it again and locate adjust. Click and locate adjust, click on adjust now, look for HSL, look at it here, you want to click it. All right, click it, mark on this green, reduce saturation to 100%. You mark on this grid, then you are going to go back. All right, at this point we want to duplicate this green screen. You duplicate it because we are going to be needing the other part. All right, so duplicate it now, duplicate it, click it and drag it back a little bit. Then you come back, click this one now, then you want to crop it and position it where you want it to be. Then after that you locate before your leg comes up, drag this green screen to where your leg comes up, drag it back a little bit. This is how it's going to be. Then click on this green screen now, you are going to be cropping this butterfly. All right, after positioning it, you are going to be cropping it. All right, just look at what I am going to be doing now. You want to crop this butterfly. After cropping it, position it where you want it to be, then you click on keyframe. All right, add keyframe, then you adjust it a bit, then you review the butterfly again, reveal it again. As you are revealing it, you are positioning it in the position you want it to stay. All right, after revealing it now, then I will be telling you the next thing you are going to be doing, but let's play this part and see what we have got. All right, let's play it now. Let's see what we have got. Good. So locate where the butterfly want to fly. Here, this place that it wants to start flying, you are going to click it and add keyframe. Click here and add keyframe as well. Then you start adjusting the video. So adjust it, you click on the butterfly layer and drag it up. All right, after dragging the butterfly layer, drag it up, you click on the character layer and drag it up as well. All right, this is what you are going to be doing because you want the butterfly to carry the character up. So as you are adjusting the video, you are clicking on the butterfly layer, drag it up, you click on the character layer and drag it to the butterfly, so that to be the butterfly that is carrying the character up. This is what you will keep doing until you get to where it's going to stop. If you need this green screen butterfly, don't forget to DM me, then I will send it to you, as my number is at the description of this video. All right, so this is what we are going to be doing. When you get to the last key, then you want to decide to place this butterfly in another style. That is what I do. Look at it, how I bend my own. So drag the character up as well. You want to bend the character like that as well. Okay, then after doing this now, this video is ready. We are going to be playing it from the beginning to see what we have got. But at this point, all right, this video is ready. What you must not forget is to add your sound effects, your light effects, and every other effect. Then after that, you export your video to your gallery. If you don't know how to do them, DM me, then I'll put you through on how to add your effects and your sounds. Okay, as my number is at the description of this video. After that, the next thing now is to click on export, and we export this video to our gallery. Now you can see that the video is exporting. This video I've installed in your gallery now. You can now share it to your social media handles. Okay, but guys, tell us your opinion about this video. If you have any magic effects or capcut tricks you want us to create together, drop them at the comment section. All right, you love what we are doing, you love this video, smash your like button. You are coming across our YouTube channel today, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell, click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.